you said that this could only be resolved by making a film through the process of filmmaking. This for you? No, no, of course. So I'm just curious as a filmmaker and as someone who I think about this sometimes. That what is it about that process which is so unique for you, which is the only way in which something can something which is actually completely outside filmmaking in another way can actually get resolved.
Do you think there is something like this happening in the film? I mean, you have to give me a response to the film.
No, for me, actually, what I really liked about the film was very simple. I mean, I've seen some of Anand's films. I mean, I've seen Jai Bhim Comrade. I've seen some of his other films also. What was very nice for me to see is really the life around the film. Actually, what made those films very meaningful and uh, uh, very meaningful for me was the the context in which many of them were seen, the way people reacted to them, the relationships which were there. They all of that made was very rich for me to see, and actually, it if at all this this thing of polarity which you talk about, or this or the anger in the film or the polarities in the film, actually they got very real and humanized and softened for me and extremely even more potent. So I like the film very much because you actually filmed a lot of the events around it. Of course, I like the film. I mean, other reasons I like the film was that the amount of space that you give in the middle and all that. Sometimes, I mean, okay, one can. That's always difficult to get it 100% right, but it was still nice. But that's what I liked about the film. So frankly, your process of coming to terms for me is not in the film, which is fine.
But I mean, contrary to what Kuntal is saying, I felt that for me it was a for me it appeared like a very personal film. It's you and Anand, and you're resolving something. You're trying to resolve something. I was just wondering that while making this film, did you ever think that instead of keeping it at this level that it is now, that some people will understand this without you having to say it, did you ever think of kind of articulating it within the film itself and not just leave it at a feeling or an experience level, or articulate it with Anand, or was it just something that you had to do it for yourself, like it was you were doing it and it got resolved, but it doesn't come
It doesn't matter to me actually. It
huh.
doesn't matter to me that it has to come across to you. It can come across to you in a different way. I mean, the film, you can watch the film for different reasons and you can get different experiences. In fact, a lot of places, people who don't know anything about Anand at all. Okay, so there were people who saw this film and said, we want to see all the films of Anand Pashwardan. People who come and told me that. But they never said they want to see all the films of mine. They said...
There's a difference, right? I mean, like the film is like a meditation on the act of making documentaries at all, or making reality images or whatever. One of which, the main conversation about which is always to do with content and narrative and what it is that people will get out of it. As if to say people don't get anything out of shapes and feelings, which is what you are suggesting, that there is a shape that we make and a feeling that we create, and that actually is what people also sometimes get out of it. So, I mean, yeah, it's a question. Like, I was thinking this question while watching the film, that I'm totally getting it, but will somebody who's not tuned into the conversations get it? And maybe in that sense, the film is, it's a product of your feelings of wanting to sing along with Anand and see what it's like to sing along, and whether your song will be different when you sing together almost. No? That kind of feeling which comes out, which I thought was nice. And it also made me like feel that the act of making a documentary, sometimes, if you're willing to simply listen and be in somebody else's reality for a while, actually changes the way you look at that reality, which when you talk about what position you started with, and then just by being in that place and filming, it allowed you to relax your vision and not be only your vision, but see a bit from yours. And that interplay between the documentary subject and the documentary film person, I thought was very, like, a great feeling about it. Of course, I have some critiques which I'll discuss later.
It was actually a response to Kuntal to try and answer that question from the way I perceived the film. Is that, every time you and I have had any conversation about your films, Ramni, it's about your style of filming very often. That has been the way you frame, the way you shoot, the way you cut. And it is so completely opposed to what Anand does. In the very act, the way you make your film. And you see that constantly in this. Actually, this film it's about you. It's about your filmmaking. You know, much more than about Anand. Anand is the subject. But the way you frame, the way you, in a conventional sense, it would be called disregarding how you frame, almost. You know, kadar nahi hai. You decide to swing from here to there. There's this, I thought it was very funny when he's remembering what you said about Hamara Sheher, where you said, oh, there are no close-ups. And you're saying, oh, but I think that there weren't any intimate moments. And that is a moment at which you have him, like, you know, with his head cut off in the frame and the subtitle in the middle and the frame tilted. So it really, for you, that is intimate. I don't know what he thinks about it from his point of view, what he makes of your filming. So for me, that plays out throughout. And I see that being resolved just by placing yourself so much in opposition to the way he makes films. You're placing yourself there and the way you make films, side by side. So for me, I see that working out from beginning to end. And I think that answers what he was asking. It's not a question, sorry. It's just...